All right, folks, we are rolling out. Gonna go see my buddy, get some ice cream over there at his shop. And it's a nice sunny day here. Nice sunny day here in Alkali City. Well, thank everybody for going along with us on today's video. These ladies are, they're not happy because they're in the sunshine. They're from the Philippines, but they're not down with getting out in the sun. Hey buddy, how you doing, man? Got my buddy here, rolling with him yesterday. All right, load everybody up. Got chicken and ice cream, and gonna make pizzas too.
Ice cream sundae. Pwede, gusto mo to? Ay, ano ba gusto mo? Ito?
You gotta tell them.
Ito. Pwede ka dito, dali. Gusto mo ng ice cream?
Oh, she wants a sundae.
Sundae yung, ano ba to?
Well, ask the gentleman, what flavors do you have, my friend? What kind? Chocolate mix and vanilla. So what you want? You want? She want chocolate?
Dalawa po yan. Yung ice cream sundae. Size 45. Dalawa po.
Y'all getting the sundaes?
Yeah.
What topping are you gonna get? Folks, here's a look at the construction on the La Grande. And this is where the ice cream shop, chicken shop is, right across from where they're doing the construction here on La Grande residence. Hey buddy, what flavor ice cream you want, man?
Any kind of flavor, man.
They got chocolate, they got vanilla. Folks, when they're focused in on ice cream, they ain't listening to nobody. Masarap, sweetie? Honey, you listen, I appreciate your effort, but you can't drive a motorbike, honey. I've seen you try to drive a motorbike. Folks, she's trying to claim that she can drive this Kulong here.
I can ride that one in the kulong-kulong, then the other kulong-kulong.
You can ride that one baby, I have no idea. Flo, can you translate what she just said, please? I see my buddy, they build trikes. Like the open one, they're called Kulong. Kulong. This is exactly what we need, but Fatima is trying to claim she can drive this motorbike, and that's not true. I've seen her try to drive one down in the village. But this thing has a front door here. So you just pull that up right there, and then you got this little entryway here. You got that chair that you can fold up or fold down, what have you. The back folds down. So you can put a lot of cargo in here. But I can put my whole crew in this thing right here. There you go. Giving you a demonstration. It's like a tailgate back there. My buddy's a professional welder, so if you guys are looking for a proper Kulong, they know how to weld here. And that's a big problem with a lot of these. The folks just don't have any formal welding training. They don't know how to weld. And he puts these car tires on here. It's actually a donut. But see, most of these trikes, they have the skinny motorbike, looks like a bicycle tire. And they're not set up to hold a lot of weight, to be honest. Now, they put a lot of weight on them. But he puts these proper tires on here. This thing can take a lot of weight. So you got this little tailgate right there. Too cool. All right, folks, now if you have your own bike and you want this exact Kulong, they do it for right around 23,000 pesos. 23,000. Comes with a nice, is that canvas?
That is a leather top.
Yeah, it's a sturdy top there. So if you got your own bike, 23,000, and you'll be riding with a proper Coulomb with a proper suspension system and leaf spring there. Too cool. See, that locks up in place right there, folks. And one thing that my buddy just pointed out on the ones that they engineer here, they put a damper right here. And like you said, if you've ever driven a trike, you know, it's just shaking the handlebars back and forth, right? The tire's just going back and forth constantly. But what he's done is put this damper right here to take that fight out of it, so it's just a smooth ride. So the damper's fighting it and not you know, shaking the damn handlebars. And so you can go around, you can get a cheaper Coulomb obviously, but you're not going to get one built and engineered like this. And I told him if I stayed around here for any period of time, I'd pick one up from him, because this is just built right. Also, a little convertible, just loosen up them bolts and you can pop off the top, turn it into a convertible. Come on out there, dude. Everything here is all full service. I mean, you can't even pump gas here on your own, even if you wanted to. Always beautiful ladies over here at the trike terminal. Look at there. Was I lying? Today is, yeah, it's a Friday afternoon. I was just asking my buddy what day it was. I said, man, I think it's Friday. Pretty sure that it's a Friday. But it's early. Alright, I'm not sure what the ladies are into over here. Now, 50 pesos each, $1 each. Fatima said, make sure you buy two, because they're always fighting. They're not really fighting, it's just sibling rivalry over who gets to maintain control of the toy. The ladies are looking stellar today. I guess they got tired of looking all haggard on their videos when they watch themselves. Now they're tightening up. Alright, there was no tempura on the park side over there. So instead of crossing the street, I said, look, we'll just go to that place next to the Tiger Hotel where we always go. Up to you, baby, however much you want. Folks, wife number one jumped out. Oh, correction, that's wife number two. She jumped out. She wanted me to handle it. And I said, okay, no problem, I'll handle it. And she thought about it for a second and said, no, I better get out and pick something out. Folks, look how beautiful this lady is. She's so pretty. Out of all the girls I see here, best looking one in the whole Angeles city is the ones at home. All right, folks. So leaving out. She didn't find a tempura, but she did get the banana kill. So it's all good.